Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Listen, on this one, I'm just going to keep it real short because in a few minutes we have the FOMC meeting. First, we have the Fed rate decision, and then we have the FOMC meeting. So I'm going to come back after the FOMC meeting, and I'm going to make another video. So the question is, will it be 25 basis points? Will it be hawkish or dovish? If he's dovish, then it's good, meaning that he's going to reduce by at least 25 basis points, if not 50, but 25 is priced in, and he's going to do two more this year. That's dovish. If it's hawkish, he'll be like, I'm just going to give you guys this, and it's data dependent, blah, blah, blah. Follow? So now, the question is, will there be a pump and dump? What I mean by that is everything I've been saying. Will the sellers outweigh the buyers? Will people be taking profit if the market pops? Okay. And so I want to show you this real quick. We can come back and visit this. We can see that the NASDAQ, actually went negative. Yesterday, it was pretty flat. And then today, it goes negative 116 points, as we could see. And then what else is happening? The Dow is up 236 points, but the S&P, the overall stock market, is relatively what? Flat, just flat, like no movement, which is what I looked forward to on a day like today. Now, what I want to show you is here's a play that we got into in Money Moves, okay? This is AMPX. You can see the ticker symbol right here. I would not get into it right now, though it could run AMPX, all right? And this is a play that we bought the warrants. So here is AMPX, and here is AMPX warrants right here. So the stock is up 8%, and the warrants are up 15% on today alone, right? And so it is kind of pre-running the market. And what I do, and I'm probably going to be really going deeper into it, I have it. For those of you that got Stock Up, you know you've made money on warrants, right? We use our warrants to make money to pay for the stock. They run up, we sell it, then the stock is basically free. That's what my theory is on the warrants. Let's check crypto right quick before I log off. We could see that crypto is what? Relatively flat. So Bitcoin down, let's call that 1%, right? Ethereum down 0.5%. But we had a run up yesterday. So we will call this over the last 2 days flat. XRP just flat, 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 flat. Everything flat. Hype is up a little bit, but that's a bunch of hype. Boom. But we could see that basically everything in crypto is flat. But here's what I want to point your eye to for those that understand the VIX, the volatility, okay? It has been slowly creeping up. It's one of those things that you don't check for a while, and then you come back, and next thing you know, it has creeped up 10, 12, 15%. And so everybody and everything is waiting to see what this market is going to do. So the reason I'm making this short video is to let you know that you may see a pop, right? And you think the market is going up, and then it could drop after the Fed gives what is already priced in. Buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? And so we don't know, but here's what I will tell you. Generally, after an FOMC meeting and a Fed decision, it's usually 48 hours before the market absolutely deciphers all of the information that it just heard. So we have in a few minutes Fed decision, and then the FOMC meeting where you got a lot of gotcha questions. Okay. So what are you saying, Larry? I'm saying that there are some stocks that I am going to take profits on a pop and then maybe think about re-entering on a drop. And those are little stock like AMPX, okay? So now, this is what I'm talking about, okay? So now if you would have got into this, let's see if you would have got into it earlier this week. Look at that. On the warrants, if we got into it earlier this week, we would have been up already 58% on the warrants, okay, and 28% on the stock, all right? And I do believe that some of these will pop today and drop, not everything. So I want you to govern yourselves accordingly, and then I will see you after the FOMC meeting, okay? But those of you that are in stock up, I am going to probably try to air live the FOMC meeting so I don't get in trouble. So I'm going to try to air it live in Money Moves. And remember, just off of one warrant play, you can pay a whole year, 2 years worth of Money Moves. This is Money Moves right here. Don't delay. Come and spend $1 a day and make money. All right, good people. I'm gonna leave it right there. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.